This is Brown Coder.
Hello! Guys, welcome back to my channel. You know Amazon as the world's largest e-commerce platform. Millions of customers, millions of sellers. Warehouses, delivery partners, scanners, dashboards, all connected inside one massive digital ecosystem. But here's the question most people never ask. How does Amazon build and maintain the internal tools that power all of this? Seller dashboards, warehouse scanning apps, delivery management systems, inventory and analytics tools? These aren't flashy consumer apps. They're complex, data-heavy, and absolutely mission-critical. And this is where Flutter enters the picture. Amazon's use of Flutter-style architecture proves one powerful idea. Flutter isn't just for small mobile apps. It's strong enough for enterprise-grade, business-critical systems. In this video, we'll explore how Amazon Scale tools are built using Flutter concepts, why Flutter works at this level, and how you can design Amazon-style components step by step. Never mind. Amazon operates at a scale that very few companies on Earth can match. Sellers manage products, prices, ads, and logistics, often all at the same time. Warehouse workers scan thousands of items per hour. Delivery drivers rely on real-time navigation, package status, and route optimization. Every one of these workflows depends on tools that must be fast, reliable, and consistent. Amazon doesn't just need apps. They need platforms that work across Android tablets, handheld scanners, kiosks, and internal systems. At this scale, performance failures don't mean inconvenience. They mean lost money, delayed deliveries, and broken customer trust. This is where cross-platform consistency and performance stop being luxuries and become strict business requirements. Anybody there? Never mind. Flutter solves several problems that companies like Amazon face every day. First, a single code base. Instead of maintaining separate Android and iOS apps, teams can share one code base while keeping UI behavior consistent everywhere. Second, performance. Flutter renders its own UI using Skia, which allows highly customized interfaces without platform limitations. This matters for dashboards, scanners, and internal tools where precision and speed are critical. Third, rapid iteration. Amazon is obsessed with optimization. Flutter's hot reload and fast development cycle allow teams to test, deploy, and refine tools faster than traditional approaches. At this point, Flutter becomes less about mobile apps and more about a unified business UI framework. Never mind. This is Brown Coder. Now think about Amazon's seller tools. Sellers monitor inventory, pricing, orders, returns, and analytics, often simultaneously. These tools demand complex dashboards with filters, tables, charts, and real-time updates. Flutter excels here because it handles dynamic layouts and complex UI states cleanly. Its widget-based architecture allows massive dashboards to be broken into reusable components. Inventory cards, sales graphs, order rows, notification panels. This modular design is critical for large engineering teams. Different teams can build different widgets, and everything still fits together perfectly. Never mind. Amazon tools process massive amounts of data. Flutter handles this by separating UI from business logic. Using architectures like Provider, Block, or Riverpod, Amazon-style apps can manage state, background updates, and API calls efficiently without freezing the interface. This means sellers can scroll huge product lists smoothly. Warehouse staff can scan items instantly. Dashboards stay responsive even during peak traffic events. For Amazon, smooth UI isn't about beauty, it's about productivity. Guys, anybody there? Let's think like Amazon engineers. One of the most important components in Amazon tools is the product list. Thousands of products, searchable, sortable, responsive. In Flutter, this starts with efficient list rendering using list view or grid view builders. Lazy loading ensures performance even with massive datasets. Each product becomes a reusable widget, an image, SKU, price, stock status, and action buttons. This same component can power seller apps, warehouse scanners, and admin dashboards, exactly how Amazon builds scalable UI systems internally. Never mind. Now, here's the question for you. What other enterprise or entertainment apps should we explore next? A streaming service? A music platform? something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for Brown Coder, where we break down real-world systems using Flutter and modern architecture. See you in the next video.